Here is a very important video in which we'll discuss transformation of transformed functions and we'll incorporate the parent functions to link the two. This will help to understand the concept better. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. We have a very interesting question based on transformation of functions. It is a test question which most of the students get it wrong. Now let us see how do we correctly answer this question. Describe the sequence of transformations that will transform f of x equals to 6x whole square plus 1 into g of x equals to x minus 2 whole square minus 2. Now, here we have transformation of transformed function. We are given a function f of x, which is 6x whole square plus 1, and then that is transformed to g of x, which is x minus 2 whole square minus 4. We need to explain the transformations going from f of x to g of x. Interesting? You can always pause the video and answer the question. In case you want to learn from me, you can always send an email on the address given. Most of my students are doing extremely well. They are on the top of the class getting awards like Akshat.
After attending university. The winner of this year's Certificate of Achievement Schulich Leader Award is Akshi Kandivani.
Great. Our student Akshat gets highest marks and the most prestigious Schulich Leader Award. You can be there. Join our classes and excel. Now let's look into this particular transformation. What do you suggest? Well, we have a factor of k, which is 6 here, but here we don't have. That means this is 1/6 of f of x, right? So we can say g of x could be written as, there's no vertical stretch or compression involved. So f of 1/6, correct? And then we have x minus 2, right? As far as the y value is concerned, from 1 we have gone down to minus 4. That means the difference is 5 units. Kind of like this. Do you think this is correct? That is a big question to be answered. So if that is correct, in that case we have a stretch, horizontal stretch by a factor of 6, translation of 2 units to the right and 5 down, right? So we can describe this as horizontal stretch, or you can say dilation, by factor of 6, translate 2 units right, and then translate 5 units down. Make sense? The thing is that we need to verify. Can you help me verify or check the answer? How will you check the solution? So that is what we'll actually focus on in this particular video to understand the concepts. And hopefully this is the right transformation. We are still not sure about it, but we'll check and then make it sure. Right. So once again, we have the function given to us as equal to 6x whole square plus 1, and the transform function is x minus 2 whole square minus 4. Now, to check, we can actually check with the parent function. So we'll involve a parent function here. So parent is y equals to x square, right? So let's take a good point on y equals to x square so that we could correlate the two. So if I take a point on y is equals to x square as 6, whose square is 36. So 636 becomes a point on y equals to x square. So if you apply the transformations, what will this point be on f of x? Well, multiplying by 1 over 6 for the x value will give me 1 here. And then translating 1 unit up will give me 37 there. Makes sense? So that will be the point on f of x, correct? Now, let us see what is going to be the point on g of x. So g of x is x minus 2 whole square minus 4. X is 6. If I add 2 to it, it becomes 8, right? And minus 4 from 36 gives me 32. So now basically, we are relating these two, f of x and g of x. The coordinate points are, the f of x is 137 and g of x is 832. Now to get from 1 to 8, what do you think? We times it with 6 and add it. Does that work? So the x value, 6 times x value plus 2. As far as the y value is concerned, we took away 5. Do you see that? So that becomes the transformation from f of x to g of x. Makes sense? And clearly, this transformation indicates that we have horizontally compressed by a factor of 1 over 6, right? So we can say horizontal compression by a factor of 1 by 6, correct? Only then you multiply, right? And second is translate. When you add 2, that means translate right. 2 right, I'm writing in short, and 5 down. Does it make sense? So, effectively, we have written the transformation, which matches with what we earlier thought of. Do you see that? So this transformation is absolutely correct. But the idea is to confirm we bridged. So we went from the parent function to both. And then we are in a good position to compare as shown here. This is the strategy which we are going to use for transformation of transformed functions. If you do like this, always, you will get the correct answer. Otherwise, there could be confusion. I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write your comments, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.